Doing technical analysis on a Forex pair, stock, cryptocurrency or any other asset is extremely difficult to do, and it is a process in which you need to make hard decisions on what to use and how to use it. In this video I will tell you about an indicator which you definitely know, but which you probably don't use or not in the right way. So stay here if you want to improve your technical analysis skills. Welcome back everybody. As I said, in this video I will talk about one technical indicator and the settings you need to use for it, which I find very useful. I use it in all of my technical analysis. So if you have watched more videos of mine, you definitely know this one. Excuse me. First of all, we are at the euro against the US dollar at the daily time frame, Forex pair. We are back a little in time. Let's just do it a little bit more so we can actually look at the technical indicator and how it has performed in the past. So now we are going to look it up. It will be the exponential moving average. As I said, you definitely know this one, and if you don't, I have made a video about moving averages before, so if you don't know this one, you can look it up there, or you can look it up on Investopedia or something. But what makes this technical indicator as strong as I think it is if you put the length to 200. So that's quite a lot. I think not a lot of people use it at that strength. And I'm gonna give it another code. And this is it. This is the technical indicator, which is very underrated, and I think it is underrated for two reasons. And the first reason is that from this technical indicator you can easily spot the trend of a Forex pair or a cryptocurrency or a stock. You can easily spot the pair. Basically, if the price is below it, it will be an uptrend, as you can see here. If the EMA is going through the price, it is ranging. It's in a consolidation, as you can see here. And if the price is above the candlesticks, then it is in a downtrend. So that's the first reason, and we are going to test that, how it has worked. So the second reason is that it also functions as a very strong support and a very strong resistance. You can already see it a little bit right here. Down, support, 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 resistance, support, 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 resistance, resistance, resistance. I mean, that's crazy. I mean, it functions as a support or resistance better when it's trending, but even here in the consolidation, it functions as a sniper entry a lot too. So we will be looking at that, but also at how it can tell you the trend. So as you can see here, the 200 EMA is under it and the price is trending upwards. It's very easy to see. I mean, if you would have checked here, you see that the price is under it. You could have assumed that it would definitely be an uptrend, and it would be for the next couple of weeks. Again, also a support right here. And then you see here, it goes through the candlesticks. So it is consolidating a little bit, and then it is above it, and that means that a downtrend is occurring. And this is quite the downtrend, as you can see. Quite a downtrend. And here it actually hits the 200 EMA again, and as you can see, it is not 100% perfect, otherwise everybody would use it to trade, which would make it non-functioning again. But here it's a nice resistance, and here it's a nice resistance with some drawdown again. Here we can see the 200 EMA is moving through the candlesticks, so a small consolidation again. Still functions as a resistance, support kind of, and a resistance again. And here you can see it once again bounces off of the area. It's above it again, so a downtrend. Here it is under it again, and you can see a very clear uptrend. Through it again, above it, downtrend, resistance, very good trade, resistance, good trade, still in a downtrend, resistance, resistance, and here it goes through it again, small consolidation, under it, uptrend. I mean, I can go on like this at a lot of Forex pairs, a lot of stocks, a lot of cryptocurrencies, but that is basically how this indicator works. It can tell you the trend very easily, and it can provide you with some great trade setups. And that's why I think this is the most underrated indicator, and you should definitely look at it if you don't want to incorporate it in your strategy. Here you can see a few more touches above it, so a small downtrend, resistance, resistance, resistance. And having said that, you should also always do your own analysis, see if this works if you trade in a small cap cryptocurrency or a small cap stock. Backtest for yourself to see if this technical indicator works for that as well. But I know it works for the most Forex pairs, for the most heavily traded cryptocurrencies, and for the most liquid stocks. So having said that, we have reached the end of this video. If you have any questions about this technical indicator or other videos I have done, or if you have any requests for video, please let me know down in the comment section, and I will make sure to look at it as soon as possible and respond to it too. Having said that, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!